Hey, we've got a really fun cook today. We're gonna take some ribs, we're gonna take some pineapple ribs. Let's get this cook going.
Got a rack of St. Louis style spare ribs here, right? Now I know a lot of people take the membrane off. I do too sometimes. I thought what I would do today is just score this membrane.
Hey, let me know what you do down in the comment section. Do you leave the membrane on or remove it?
I'm going to use this J.M. Thomason barbecue rub. Use whatever your favorite rib rub is. Any of them is going to work for this recipe. Then we're just going to turn these guys over, get the other side all rubbed up. We got these bad boys all seasoned up. What I'm going to do is set them aside now and let that rub soak in for a minute.
Now, I've already got my Kamado grill fired up. Let's get over there, get some wood on so we can have some smoke.
I'm just going to sprinkle a little wood chips around this. When I put this lid down, this fire will go down. These are cherry chips. Now, I want to cook these indirect, so I'm putting my plate setter in. We're going to get our grill grate in. This will let me keep an eye on this temperature.
Now let's get us a pineapple.
Now I've got a pineapple, right? I'm going to turn this guy on his side. I'm going to cut the top off. All right, now don't throw the top away. I'll set it aside for a moment. And now what we'll do is skin this pineapple. We got to get all this skin off of it. All right, just about got her done. One skint pineapple. Now I just got a little bourbon here. This happens to be St. Augustine. Use whatever kind you like, right? This is just another layer of flavor. Going to wipe it all over this pineapple. Put a little bit up here, and that's all we need, right? Now what I'm going to come back and do with that same barbecue rub, we're going to put just a little rub, not a lot now, not like you do the ribs. Just to see that really light layer. Again, just a little flavor as this pineapple cooks. Just a little, just like that. All right, set our pineapple up. Little on top. Now we're going to come in with those ribs. Wrap them around this pineapple. You can see, pretty close, right? Pretty nice the way it wraps around. And then I've got some skewers here. I'm going to come in with the skewer, drive it into that pineapple, right? Let's get another one in here. Going to come in with these scissors. You don't have to do this, right? Just gives a little cleaner look while it cooks. We're going to get this pineapple over to our grill. Get our ribs on here. Get this grill lid down. Oh, got my plant in there, don't I? Let them cook.
Now I got a late start today, so I'm going to cook these ribs at a higher temperature and get them done a little quicker. This Kamado is running 300 to 310. I'm going to let them go 3 hours just like this before we take them off and wrap them. Now, I'm expecting this whole cook to be somewhere between 5 and 5.5 hours.
All right, let's take this lid up. Look at that. It's got some awesome color on this. I'm going to take these ribs off and I'll show you what we're going to do. Just going to get this spatula under here. Sorry if you're getting my elbow shot. Now you want foil for this step, but I don't have any. So I'm going to try to do this with butcher paper. Like I said, you want foil. But what we want to do, right, is try to wrap it up. And you see it's going to be a challenge. So I think what I'm going to do, we'll turn it up on its side, just like that. What I will try to do is roll it up in this paper, right? Roll it up in this butcher paper, best we can. Now I'm going to fold it under. We're going to turn it up like this. I don't have any apple juice, but I got some apple moonshine. I'm going to pour a little bit of this in the top here. I don't know, what do you think that is? Not a lot. Few tablespoons. And then I've got some water, right? You could use apple juice, but again, I didn't have any. What I want to do is kind of steam it now. finish cooking these ribs up. Then I'm going to come here with another piece of butcher paper because I just don't trust it. Right? I just don't trust it. I think we'll do it this way. Come back the opposite direction. We want to make sure this stays wrapped up nice and tight. Right? And fold that under like so. Get it over here. You can see we're losing a little bit of juice. It's not going to be perfect. Now let's get this back over to our grill. Just going to get it on here. Sit her right down like that. I'm going to let this cook probably an hour to an hour and a half. Let's get this lid up. Get this over here on our table. Okay. Looks like it held up pretty good. Our butcher paper, I gotta tell you, it smells absolutely incredible. Get this off here. Get that glove off so we can see what we got. And there's what those ribs look like. I know it's getting dark. Sauce them up. I'm using this Captain Jack. It's a tropical kind of barbecue sauce. Nice and thin. I'm gonna just pour some on here. Tell you, I don't know if it's the pineapple, I guess. It just smells incredible. And I'll just take this brush up all these sides. You don't need a lot of sauce. You just want to get a nice little glaze going on it.
Hey, now any barbecue sauce will work. You don't have to have this one. And with this sweet pineapple, a spicy barbecue sauce would pair perfectly.
We got her all glazed up. We're going to get her back on this grill. Get these ribs on here. It's getting dark. We need to get this done before it gets dark, right? I'm going to let them go another 20 to 30 minutes. It's getting pretty dark out here. I'm going to take this pineapple off. This rib pineapple off. Look at the color. I hope you can see it in the dark. We're going to plate it up, and I'll show you what it looks like. We'll take it inside. There she is. Look at that. There's our pineapple ribs. We're going to give these guys a try. I'm going to come in here next to the bone. Whew, boy, they are hot. Didn't let them cool off much. I hope you can see that. Look how juicy these ribs are. You got that nice pink smoke ring right here. I'm going to give these ribs a try. All right. First thing you notice is pineapple on those ribs right away. Let's give this pineapple a try also. Just right here. This is worth it.